Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color. Let's start our lesson. Alif, ba,
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
ta,
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white
sa,
as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went,
jim,
Mary went, and everywhere
ha,
that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
khwa, dal,
Followed her to school one day,
zal,
school one day, school one
ra,
day. Followed her to school one day, which was
za,
against the rules.
sin,
Made the children laugh and play, laugh and play,
shin,
laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
swad, zod,
And so the
ta,
teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And
za,
so the teacher turned it out, but
ain,
still it lingered near.
gain,
And waited patiently about,
fa,
patiently about, and waited
kaf,
patiently about till Mary did appear.
kef, lam,
Why does
Mim,
the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why
Mim,
does the lamb
Noon,
love Mary so? The eager
Vav,
children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb,
wow,
you know.
ha, hamza, ya. Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sa, za, ta, za, ain, gain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, wow, ha, hamza, ya.